Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing of my May Boxycharm, and I know I could have filmed this video a little bit sooner, but I got sick 2 weeks ago, and then until now I'm still sick. I have like an ear infection and I can hear in this ear right here, and I know I should get it checked, but you know, it's whatever. So we should get started. And this box theme is Boxy Bash, and it was for their anniversary. And the first item in this box is this Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio, and it's this one right here, and these retail for $45. I have an eyebrow brush, a spoolie, and an eyeliner brush. So we should get started with the brows since it takes me a long time to do it. For my brows today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. And I'm just going to fast forward this because I'm pretty sure you know how my brows look like. So I'm not supposed to use this brush for my brows, but since I don't do eyeliner, I use it anyways, and it's perfectly fine. Okay, so the very most important item in this box, one of the two most important items in this box, is this Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette, and this one retails for $30. Looks like this. It's a little bit darker, but it's okay, we'll work with it. So it has two contour shades and then two highlights right here, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the highlight because I love to highlight here. While we're at it, we're gonna do the eyes first using this palette. So for the eyes, I'm gonna start with Inventor right here. To deepen it up, I'm gonna use Founder. So I just did my eyes. It's just this, minimal look using the Sculptor palette. And now we're about to do the face, and next item we have is a Cover FX blurring primer, and this one retails for $38. And the reason why I subscribe to Boxycharm is that they have expensive primers, and this one, I'm really excited about it. And I don't really buy makeup that much, so Boxycharm is the only thing that I get every month for makeup. My god, so I really have big pores right here, and from the looks of it, the primer really helped. For foundation, we're gonna use Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Now we're done with the face. We're gonna set it using my e.l.f. mattifying powder, and we're gonna use this brush that comes with the box as well, and it's the Aesthetica P12 face brush, and it retails for $27. And I didn't apply concealer today because that's not really important for this video. We're going to contour using the same palette, of course, and we're gonna do the light shade. It's still a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but we can make it work. And it smells like chocolates, oh my god. And then the next item is this Pretty Vulgar ink gel eyeliner, and I think I'm gonna skip this because I don't want to mess up my eye makeup because I don't know how to put on eyeliner. And this one retails for $24. I mean, I'm just gonna try, okay? And I'm gonna use the eyeliner brush that comes with it, with a trio. And isn't this cute? Like, the packaging is so cute. Like, and it's really heavy too. Wish me luck. I still need to learn how to do eyeliner. It's really creamy. I can say that. I just need more practice in my eyeliner skills. I'm gonna put on some mascara, and this is a Better Than Sex mascara. And highlight using Trailblazer right here. It's not that blinding, which I like sometimes. The last item in the box is this Beauty Creations mattifying lip gloss, and this one retails for $10. Like this. And some setting spray to finish it off. Smashbox Photo Finish Water Primer. Alright, that was it, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's not that much, but I tried my best. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share. See you guys next time. Bye!